Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I will guide you through setting up a Solana trading or sniping bot in Telegram. This is a great way to automate your trading strategy. So now let's get started. First, you will need to open Telegram and search for a reputable Solana trading bot group. Join the group and make sure it is one that aligns with your trading goals. Next step is you will need to configure the bot. Once you have joined, you will need to configure the bot according to your trading preferences. This usually involves setting parameters like entry and exit points, trading volume, and risk management. Next, connect your Solana wallet to the bot. This step is crucial as it allows the bot to execute trades on your behalf. After configuration, start the bot and let it handle trades for you. Monitor the bot's performance and adjust settings as needed. And that's how you set up a Solana trading or sniping bot in Telegram. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.